Welcome back to MoonMagic Bedtime Stories, where every night glows with wonder, and every dream finds its light. If you love Iffa's adventures, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because tonight, a forgotten lantern will awaken in the heart of Whisperwood and reveal the magic of never giving up. It was a misty evening in Whisperwood Forest. Soft fog curled between the trees, and the air was cool and still. Iffa walked slowly along the winding path, clutching her little shawl around her shoulders. The forest was quiet tonight. Too quiet. Even the silver brook, which usually hummed a cheerful tune, seemed to whisper softly, almost sadly. "I wonder why everyone's so quiet," Iffa murmured. "Is something wrong?" As she walked further, she saw something unusual ahead. A faint golden glow flickering among the roots of an old willow tree. Curious as ever, Iffa tiptoed closer. Beneath the hanging branches lay a small, dusty lantern, its glass cracked, its light barely alive. "Oh," she breathed softly. "You look lonely." The lantern trembled faintly, and a tiny voice spoke, weak but warm. "Who are you?" "I'm Iffa," she said kindly. "And you're a talking lantern?" "Once, I was a lantern of dreams," it whispered. "I carried people's wishes through the night sky. But long ago, everyone stopped dreaming, and I fell asleep." Iffa's eyes softened. "That's so sad. Maybe I can help you shine again. You'd do that for me?" "Of course," said Iffa, smiling. "Dreams should never be forgotten." The lantern's memory. Iffa gently picked up the lantern. Inside, a dim spark flickered weakly, like a heartbeat fading away. "To glow again," said the lantern, "I must remember 3 lost dreams. They were once whispered here in the forest, by those who believed in hope." "3 lost dreams," Iffa repeated. "Then let's find them together." And so, they began their journey. The first dream, the song that was never sung. The lantern led Iffa to a clearing where the grass shimmered with dew. There, a little blue bird sat silently on a branch, staring at the sky. "Hello, birdie," Iffa greeted softly. "Why so quiet?" "I used to sing every dawn," the bird sighed. "But no one listened anymore. So, I forgot my song." Iffa smiled gently. "Then sing with me." She began to hum softly, the same melody she once sang to the silver brook. The bluebird tilted its head, then joined in, its voice trembling at first, then growing bright and pure. As the final note faded, the lantern flickered stronger. "One dream remembered," it whispered. "The second dream, the child who forgot to wish." They followed the glow to a meadow bathed in moonlight. There, the faint image of a little girl shimmered, like a memory made of mist. "Who are you?" Iffa asked kindly. "I used to make wishes on shooting stars," said the little ghostly figure. "But one night, my star stopped falling, and I stopped wishing." Iffa held out her hand. "Then wish with me. Let's make one together." The girl smiled shyly. "Can I?" "Of course," said Iffa. "Close your eyes and wish for something kind." Together, they whispered their wishes into the night. A shooting star streaked across the sky. The ghostly child laughed, turning into sparkles of light. "2 dreams remembered," the lantern said. "Its glow steady now." The third dream, the tree that lost its light. Finally, the lantern guided Iffa to a tall oak tree at the edge of Whisperwood. Its trunk was cracked, and its leaves were dull and gray. Iffa placed her hand gently on the bark. "You look tired," she said softly. "I once glowed with starlight," murmured the old tree. "But when the forest forgot to dream, my light went out." Iffa thought for a moment. Then she took the glowing lantern and hung it on the tree's lowest branch. "Here," she said. "Maybe your light just needs a friend to help it shine again." For a long moment, nothing happened. Then, slowly, the tree began to glow. Tiny silver lights spread along its branches, like stars returning to the night sky. "3 dreams remembered," whispered the lantern. "The forest remembers hope again." The return of the light, the lantern rose gently into the air, glowing brighter and brighter until it looked like a golden moon floating among the trees. "Thank you, Iffa," it said softly. "Because of you, forgotten dreams will shine once more." Iffa smiled, tears sparkling in her eyes. "Promised you'll keep lighting up the sky?" "Always," said the lantern. "As long as someone believes in their dreams." And with that, it floated higher, joining the stars, one more light in the night sky. Iffa gazed up and whispered, "Good night, lantern of lost dreams." Moral of the story: never stop dreaming, no matter how small your wish may seem. Dreams are the lanterns of our hearts. They guide us when the world feels dark. When you help others find their dreams, your own light grows even brighter. And so, the lantern of lost dreams rose into the sky, carrying hope for every heart that dares to dream again. Remember, little dreamers, magic never fades for those who believe. Don't forget to subscribe to MoonMagic Bedtime Stories for the next adventure.